How to save website to home screen on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you save or add website to home screen of your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Safari browser on your iPhone. After you open browser, from there you'll have to just open any website. Simply search for the website you want to add. After you open the official site, simply at the bottom tap on share icon. After you tap on that, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option add to home screen. Simply from here, you'll have to give the name like here it is Google. Simply after you give the name, tap on add at the top right. After you tap on that, you will be able to add that website to your home screen. After that, while you are tapping on that, you will be able to open that website, and that's it. This is the easiest way to save website to home screen on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.